Hello, my dear kids, students, and friend. Good morning to all of you. This is Suresh Bardwaj with the sound of vowels. Vowels A, E, I, O, U. Vowel letters producing vowel sound. Here, sound of O, E words. In these words, you may see here O, E, O, E. So sound of O, E, sound of O, E is O. This is now sound symbol of O is sound symbol of O, E. Okay, pronounced as O, E, pronounced as O. Okay, dear. So here now are words, sound symbol of O, E. Listen to me very attentively and try to understand. G, O, E, go. Mada khargosh hirani. F, O, E, fo. Shatru, sat, dushman. H, O, E, ho. Kudal, kudal chalana. T, O, E, toe. Angutha, ठोकर मारना. And W, O, E, O. Vishad या शोक. Okay, dear. Do, fo, ho, to, o. To, O, E. Now sound symbol of O, E, pronounced as O, E, pronounced as O. Okay, dear. Next, O, I. Sound symbol. Here you see O, I. Sound symbol. O, I is pronounced as Oi. 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 So words have been given here. In these words, O, I, you may see to be pronounced as Oi. So listen to me and try to pronounce as I do, as I pronounce. Here, boil, gusana, ubalna, C-O-I-L, B-O-I-L, boil, ubalna, gusana, C-O-I-L, coil, kundali, morana, lapetna, F-O-I-L, foil. Okay, panni, rode, atkana, vifal karna. Okay, S-O-I-L, mitti, dhabba, mala karna. S-O-I-L, that is soil. C-O-I-N, coin, sikka, kamana, ya gadhana. And J-O-I-N, that means J-O-I-N, join. भर्ती होना, संयुक्त होना, जुड़ना, साथ देना. Here, dear. Now you see here two sound symbols now have been given here. So sound of OE to be pronounced as O, sound symbol these are. Now O-I, vowel sound OE. So here, dear, now two sounds I have discussed here to try to improve your pronunciation, try to enrich your vocabulary, enjoy sound and vocabulary together too. Okay, dear, wish you all the best and brightest. Thanks.